Okay, good morning friends. Welcome to my new video and it is about preposition and interjection. Both the topics are shorter as compared to the other topics of parts of speech. Therefore, I have made a single video on both the topics or covering both the topics. So first of all, let us see what is mean by preposition. So the short and simple definition of preposition is that a preposition is a word which tells us about place, time or direction. A preposition is a word which tells us about time, place or direction. Sometimes it tells us about the relationship between two things. Sometimes it tells us about the relationship between two things. Let us see. First of all, definition. According to the definition, a preposition is a word which tells us about time, place or direction. A preposition is a word which tells us about time, place or direction. For example, I will see you at 7 p.m. I will see you at 7 p.m. Here the word at tells us about the time. Second example, they are standing under the tree. Here the word tells us about direction. Here the word under tells us about the direction. So look at both the words at and under. In the first sentence, the word at tells us about time, and in the second sentence, the word under tells us about the place. Now, it is half definition. The remaining part of the definition is that sometimes a preposition tells us about the relationship between two things. The relationship between two things. Here the word things has wide concept or wide sense. Here the two things might be two things, two places, two people. Okay, so if I say that the pen is in my hand, now what is the relationship between this pen and my hand? It is in my hand. Therefore, there is a relationship between this pen and my hand. If I put this pen in my pocket, now whether there is any relationship between my hand and this pen? No. Now it is in my pocket. Now there is relationship between my pocket and this pen. So in this sentence, the word in is telling us about the relationship between hand and pen and pocket and pen. Okay, let us write both the examples. The pen is in my hand. Here the word in is telling us about the relationship between hand and pen. In the second sentence, the pen is in my pocket. Here the word in is telling the relationship between pen and my pocket. So this is called as preposition. The short definition of preposition is that a preposition is a word which tells us about the time, the place and direction, or sometimes it tells us about the relationship between two things. There are so many prepositions. Out of them, the most important are at, in, into, on, over, through, for, from, in front of, etc. There are so many prepositions, but most of the times these prepositions are used in our sentence. So this is a short concept about, or short views about preposition. Now let us see the interjection. Okay friends, now we will see interjection. So what is mean by interjection? An interjection is a word which comes out of our mouth suddenly in unexpected circumstances. When we are not ready for something, maybe the situation is of happiness, is of joy, is of sorrow, is of pity, then if something happens to us suddenly, then these word comes out of our mouth and there is no meaning of these words. There is no any meaning of these words. They come out of our mouth suddenly. For example, if we see a beautiful picture, we say wow. W-O-W, wow. Wow is interjection. If we feel pity about someone, we say alas, she is so poor. Alas, she is so poor. So A-L-A-S, alas, it is called as interjection. If we are very excited, or very joyous, then the word comes out of our mouth, hooray. H-U-R-R-A-H, hooray. So these are called as interjections. There is no any meaning of interjections, or there is no any meaning of words which are called as interjection. They come out of our mouth suddenly, especially in those circumstances for which we are not ready. Unexpected circumstances. In unexpected circumstances, these words come out of our mouth suddenly. These are called interjections. For example, wow, what a nice house. Hooray, there is holiday. Third one, alas, he is dead. Fourth, oh my God. Okay, so these are called as interjections. So this is the short video about preposition and interjections. Okay, the 7th and 8th part of speech. So what is mean by preposition? A preposition is a word which tells us about the time or place or direction. Sometimes it also tells about the relationship between two things. And what is mean by interjection? Interjection is a word which come out of our mouth suddenly without any prior preparation. Means the situation for which we or our mind is not prepared, then in some circumstances if something happened to us, then the words comes out of our mouth and which is called as interjection. So if you want to see the definition of interjection, we can say that an interjection is a word which comes out of our mouth in some circumstances for which we are not ready. Means in those circumstances in which we are not ready to face such circumstances, then the words come out of our mouth are called as interjection. So this is preposition and interjection. Now in the next video we will say articles. Okay, so have a nice day. Thank you.